Welcome to this brand Bitesize. Today we are going to talk about the residence Nil Rate Band, more commonly known as the RNRB. If someone dies with an estate worth more than the basic inheritance tax threshold of £325,000, their estate may qualify for an RNRB of up to £175,000 if they bequeath an eligible property, usually their home, to a direct descendant. Examples of a direct descendant include a child, including step, adopted, fostered, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and so on, or the spouse or civil partner of a child, grandchild, great-grandchild, and so on. If the value of the property is less than the RNRB, then the maximum deduction from the estate is the value of the property. Any mortgage due on the residence is deducted from its value. Where the net estate is worth over £2 million, the RNRB is reduced by £1 for every £2 over. The net estate for RNRB purposes is the estate after the deduction of liabilities but before exemptions and reliefs. If an individual downsized or sold their home after the 7th of July 2015, they can still use the RNRB, providing the proceeds from the sale of the property or assets of an equivalent value are left to a direct descendant on death. If an individual owned more than one, an election can be made regarding which one it applies to if they had both been main residences at one time. Other properties, such as buy-to-let, don't qualify. For spouses and civil partners, providing the second death occurs on or after the 6th of April 2017, the unused band from the first death, whenever it occurred, can be transferred or brought forward in full or in part in the same way as the transferable Nil Rate Band. If the first death took place prior to the 6th of April 2017, the full RNRB for the current tax year is deemed to be available as it could not be used before that date. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.